Hi, I'm Jules, a speech pathologist. I'm going to show you an activity I use in session with children to help with the expressive side of language, such as talking, signing, or using their AAC device. With this activity, we're going to use a ramp and some cars. So as you know, you've already organized your toys into little clear containers so your children can see them, ask for them, and pack them away where they go. Here we have small cars and big cars. So I'll ask the child which one they like to play. Let's say today, we give the option, and we might see some pointing, talking, or gesturing. Let's say they're wanting to have, say, small cars today. I'll hold on to the cars for now, and I'll model or repeat the word more while signing it. Modeling and repetition are speech pathology skills that are proven to help not only with the talking or signing or the expressive side of language, but also with the understanding. So we're going to do that concept of more. So we'll go, oh, more cars. So we'll just keep repeating that, more, and then we'll start taking some turns. So I'll pop the cars in the middle so everyone can access them, and I might start even repeating the words up and down. So we're also practicing those concepts. So we'll go up, 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 down, yay, more, up, 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 down. So always do a pause at the top so the child can have a turn hearing all the up, up, up. They may take a turn and say down or up, and we'll keep keeping that activity fun and lighthearted. Up, 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 down. You can use the slide with a lid or a bit of cardboard. This is a small slide, or you can also have large slides. You can even put some water or even water beads in the containers so that when the cars come to the bottom, they land in the water or the water beads, making them extra fun. As always, make pack away part of the activity. So you sign finished in, maybe even do the pack away song if your child likes that. If you've been in my sessions, you've heard it a million times. So once it's all completed, you can pop the lid back on and you can do this activity throughout the day. I hope you found this helpful. Take care.